Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be cooking dinner, and this was Alan's request. This is Italian sausage with pasta and sauce. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the sausage I'm going to be using. This is a mild Italian sausage, and everything we got was from Wegmans. The sauce I'm going to be using is also Wegmans brand, and it's the Italian Classics seasoned tomato sauce. And this is also Wegmans brand, and this is fresh pasta, and tonight we're using linguine. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some seasonings to my sausage. This was Alan's request. He always has to have garlic powder on everything. So I'm just adding some garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. Now I'm just adding some olive oil to my pan, and then I'm going to put my sausages in. And you're going to cook these sausages over medium heat until they are completely brown and cooked thoroughly, obviously. So I'm giving a little bit of time in between of these sausages cooking, and I'm just turning them over every so many minutes, making sure they are brown all the way around. So I've got my water boiling for my pasta, and my sausages are starting to look good. Sizzle, sizzle. If you've never used fresh pasta before, I highly recommend it. You can find them in the refrigerator aisle, and they only take about 7 to 9 minutes to cook. Super fast, and they are absolutely delicious. So I have my sauce warming up in the small pan behind the sausages, and I'm just adding a little garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and I'm also going to be adding a little sugar. I always add a little sugar to anything that I am making that has tomatoes in it. If you don't do that, you should try it. It makes a huge difference. So now I'm just taking my meat scissors and I am cutting my sausages in little chunks. If you know me, then you know that I use meat scissors to cut everything that I'm cooking. It is the greatest trick you will ever learn in the kitchen, girlfriend. Next, I'm just adding some of this minced garlic and olive oil. Alan likes everything to be extra garlicky, so he wanted some extra garlic added in. The sausages are done, everything's looking good, and I'm just waiting on the pasta now. Alan also requested for cherry tomatoes to be cut up and put on top of his dish. He wanted fresh tomatoes in this little pasta dish. So now I'm going to be taking my sauce and pouring it over the sausage in the frying pan so I can get all of that minced garlic and all of the flavors just mixed all in together. So now we're just getting our plates ready. This is mine, it's looking kind of sad, and Alan is fixing his up. This is mine again, and this is Alan's. His looks so much better than mine as usual. I just didn't add the cherry tomatoes to my dish because I didn't want that.
Nah.
You want a knife for these sausages?
No.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Your favorite?
Sausage is good. So he wanted me to taste his to prove to me that it was better with the tomatoes on it. And even though it was okay, I still didn't like it as much as my own without the tomatoes. But, of course, he loved his. Look at me staring at his food like, ooh, give me some more. I was trying to bite into it to make it break, and it wouldn't break.
Pretty yummy, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.